In this video, I'm going to show you how to check any folder size on your Windows 10 laptop. So if you want to check size of any folder, like we have some file and folder. So if you want to check this file's size, so right click on it, then click on properties. Now here you will find all information like type, location and size. So here you will find size on disk and complete size and contents, so how many files and folders in this particular folder. So similarly, simple and a similar method to check any file, image, video or photo. To check size, right click on that and click on properties. So you will find option like this image size is 231 KB. So that's it friends, by this very basic video we can know how to check size of file in Windows 10 laptop. Thanks for watching.